70 to 79. Chilship, Chilshibil, Chilshibi, Chilshipsam, Chilshipsa, Chilshibo, Chilshimnyok, Chilshipchil, Chilshippal, Chilshipko. 80 to 89. Palship, Palshibil, Palshibi, Palshipsam, Palshipsa, Palshibo, Palshimnyok, Palshipchil, Palshippal, Palshipko. 90 to 99. Koship, Koshibil, Koshibi, Koshipsam, Koshipsa, Koshibo, Koshimnyok, Koshipchil, Koshippal, Koshipko. Kung hindi pa marunong sa Pachim rules kung bakit nag-iiba ang ibang pronunciation at kung hindi rin marunong mag-construct ng 2 digits in Sino numbers, visit my previous posted videos.